Have you ever seen someone claim they are gifting fruits and black fruits, but something feels off? Today, I show you how some scammer fake it and how can protect yourself. So here, how they do it. The scammer first goes to black fruit shop and select a fruit and type the username of someone watching their live stream or video. So example, this guy, this woman. I send her gift and type a message. So when he receive, I got that. So when they don't have enough Robux, a message pop up saying buy Robux or item unavailable. Instead of proceeding, they press cancel. Yes, they press cancel to scam you guys. Like this, it says processing purchase and then I go to cancel it and you think it is done. So, but I didn't know how they do that, the notification appear in the app. So right here you can see here him writing a username and gifting a dragon permanent fruit. So after canceling the background, this will show a message like gift received, try again soon. This is where the scam happens. They pretend this means the gift was sent, but in reality it's just the same system default message. They forgot one crucial detail, fixing the background transparency, which exposes that trick. So this is how I find out what they do, what they did, I mean. So this is, if you see this guy, like type of this, so how can you stop this? Look for transparency issue in the background, no confirmation in history inventory, suspicious behavior like the scammer quickly moving the screen or avoiding details. Always verify gifts in game. If it seems too good to be true, it is probably is. Side by side comparison of real versus fake gifting. If this video helped you, share it with your friends to keep them safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks and black fruits. So I know this is not script related video. I'm posting this to be aware of you guys, like kid get scam gifting to people in live streams. So I don't know. So please black fruit admin, developer or anyone, just fix this notification system. I hope you will find this video. So that's it. So by the way, while I'm recording this, I got a mammoth. Thanks Zayolis. Let me capture this one. Thank guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow I will post a fish script.